Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Fermented video tutorial. Now, guys, gonna do an unboxing of a Starlink kit. So this is my third Starlink kit. I would have already do unboxing for two. So guys, guess what? This is my third one. Starlink, in terms of service, been really impressed by the service. So this is my third purchase of a Starlink kit. So that's number one, number two, three. So this is my third Starlink kit. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed. As you can see, well protected. Oh. So this is the base. And this is the dish itself, guys. Wow, that's the dish. And this is the the modem. And of course the cable. I think it's 60 feet thereabout. And the power cable. Wow. So again, this is the third unboxing. So once again, guys, if you're new to my channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. Once again, thanks for viewing. Fermitech is out of here.